Here I have Apple iPhone XS, and let me show you how to reset advertising identifier on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings. From list of settings, you need to choose privacy right here. From privacy, let's scroll down and choose advertising. As you can see here, you've got a couple of information about your advertising. For example, you can limit ad tracking, or you can also reset advertising identifier. So let me do it. If you are aware that you would like to reset identifier of your advertising, let's tap reset identifier, and that's it. So now you don't get the targeted advertise for your profile. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.